Welcome to Meditative Beast. Attracting someone you're interested in can be a complex and nuanced process, but I am here to help you out. Here are 6 tips that can increase your chances of attracting someone you like. Confidence. Confidence is attractive. Believe in yourself and your worth. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak with assurance. When you exude self-confidence, others are more likely to be drawn to you. Build a connection. Establish a meaningful connection by engaging in thoughtful and genuine conversations. Ask open-ended questions, actively listen, and show a real interest in the other person. Shared experiences and deep conversations can help create a bond. Show interest. Show genuine interest in the person you're attracted to. Learn about their likes, dislikes, dreams, and passions. Compliment them sincerely, focusing on their qualities or achievements that you genuinely admire. Be a good listener. Being a good listener is essential. Give the other person your full attention and avoid interrupting or being overly self-centered in conversations. Let them know that you value their thoughts and feelings. Body language. Pay attention to your body language. Maintain an open posture. Use subtle touches or gestures to convey your interest, and smile genuinely. Non-verbal cues can speak volumes. Respect and patience. Show respect for the person's boundaries and wishes. Respect their decisions and personal space. Building attraction should be a mutual process, so be patient and don't rush the relationship. Remember that attraction is a two-way street, and not everyone will be attracted to you no matter what you do. It's important to respect the other person's feelings and boundaries. Building a healthy, meaningful connection is based on mutual interest and compatibility, and it can take time to develop. Be yourself, be patient, and focus on building a genuine connection rather than trying to force attraction. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more unique content.